Hello and welcome back to this channel. So today's video is a quick tip for anybody who wants to know how to transfer files between two Fresco accounts. For example, I have this Fresco account which I've been using for quite a bit now, but my Adobe subscription expired and I can't renew it on this account because I moved to a different country. So I have a brand new Adobe account. I want to move all these files to Fresco on the other account. So how do I do that? Unfortunately, there's no easy method to transfer everything in one go. It is a slow and tedious process. I hope Fresco fixes this soon, but until then, we'll have to use this method. So I'll show you how to do that. So go to your home and you should be on your old Fresco account or the one where you have all your files. Now, if you want to move this file, I would highly recommend that you rename it. But it's okay, it doesn't matter what name is over there. If you want to rename it, click on these three dots here and rename. Here you go, and I'll say fruits, save. And then you can click on these three dots again and click on export as PSD. And now save to files because that's where I want. And you can create any file over here. You can click on my iPad and then you click on this plus folder and then create a new folder, whatever it is, and open it up and click on save. And it's going to get saved in this particular folder that I just created. And you can go ahead and do that to all the files. I know it's a lot, but I usually like to do a batch. It would be much more useful if you could actually download the entire folders. If you didn't know, you can create folders in here, like create a new folder and put your files in there. I do have some folders, but unfortunately, once you have a folder, this does not export as. There is no option to do that. And the other option, which is that select, and it lets you choose multiple, but now you see there's a move to PSD, export as PSD, but if you click two of them, that option goes away. So yeah, you can't do any of those things. So if you're wondering if you can create a folder and put stuff in that and export, or use the select tool to export in bulk, it's not possible. So don't even go there. Okay, so we have exported the file that we need already. Now it's time to go ahead and import it onto our new Fresco. I'll go here, which is my account, and go into account here. Go here and click on sign out. Now you need to log in with your new Adobe ID. So continue with Adobe ID. And I'm going to log in with my new ID now. So this is my newer Adobe ID. And as you can see, I've transferred some, but not all. I'll click on import and open. And Photoshop file because that's what we got in, right? And I will go all the way to the folder that I just created. It's on my iPad and the untitled folder too. There you go. And it's going to open up here and you can see it has all the layers intact. Everything is perfectly fine and it's just like your Fresco file from earlier. It even has the recents and also the color palette that we used to create this artwork. So it's exactly like your file in the older Fresco. So yeah, that's how you transfer files between two Fresco accounts. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee at ko-fi.com. I'll see you in the next one.